Let's talk about building your brand as a real estate agent, as a new real estate agent even, because I think that's something that sometimes we miss. We just jump right into things and we start calling people and saying, I'm a real estate agent, or you know what, I'm going full time into this, and we never think about actually building our brand. Like, who are we and who are we trying to attract in this business? Welcome to Your Daily Real Estate. I'm Tristan. Thanks for jumping in on this. And if you're new here, I do have a newsletter that I just started. Go into the description of the YouTube channel and sign up there. It's free once a week, real estate prospecting. That's what it's about. But as you're thinking about this a little bit more, I want you to start thinking, who do I want to attract? Because typically, when we're jumping into this, we just go and do whatever the brokerage tells us, whatever the team tells us, whatever type of lead they're feeding us as a newer agent or as an agent that's trying to get back on track. I think here's where you're going to have to define your unique value proposition. What is it? What do you stand for? So that if you're really, really good at it, for example, if you are absolutely amazing at negotiating, then your unique value proposition is going to be, I negotiate the best deals possible for my clients. And here's why. Let me outline it. In fact, let me make it so unique that I have a name around it. Let's say it's Joanne, right? And you're going to make a Joanne's negotiation plan for all my clients. Here they are. There are 7 steps to this. And guess what? Nobody else is going to have it because it's Joanne's negotiation plan, right? Or Joanne's marketing plan, or Joanne's expired marketing plan, or Joanne's open house extravaganza, or Joanne's listing marketing plan for pre-certifying a home, whatever you want to do. Point is, what's your unique selling proposition, your unique value proposition that people are going to come to you and be like, that's why I want to work with you, because that's how we're going to show up, right? So now that you've outlined it, right, you're going to take a piece of paper, outline it, you're going to go to ChatGPT and say, hey, this is who I am. This is what I love doing. Give me some ideas of some unique value propositions that I could offer to my clients as a real estate agent. All right, this will set you apart. I'll identify your niche and specialty areas, and you can highlight your strengths here and your passion for real estate. Number 2, building your online presence. Like the world we live in right now, everything is driven to online. 5 most visited websites in the world are Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and ChatGPT. And ChatGPT is going to be number 1 in the next few years. So you think about this as, how are you showing up online so that ChatGPT can grab that information? I would say you go to Google first. Take a look at your Google business profile. Have you started building that out? Do you have a personal website, even if it's a free one? Usually your brokerage will have one that you can start with that. Start adding some blogs to there weekly. That's how you start optimizing the search engine so that when ChatGPT is searching, it pulls information from there and from your Google page and from your social sites. Where are you showing up? Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, where? You only have to show up in one place. Get it down and show up there. Because if it works in one place really well, if you're like, I got it, I know what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about the community and what's happening here and the changes and the ice cream place here and the coffee place that I go to all the time and the people that live here. Or, you know what, I'm only going to update on real estate news. What does this graph mean over here and how do we interpret it? That's how you start building your online presence. Now, you've got to leverage social media one way or another, because the world that we live in right now, social is how we communicate. People go to social media to read news. People go to social media to check their family out, just to get information and waste time. And so you've got to think, where do you need to show up? And how do you need to show up? Because your friends are going to be watching because they're on social. And if your friends are watching you, how are they going to be engaging with your social? You've got to think. And it's okay. You're gonna maybe feel a little embarrassed. It's like, well, I don't know if I want to do this or that. It's okay. That's why building your unique value proposition at the very beginning and being flexible enough to test things out daily and saying, oh, that didn't work. Oh, that didn't work. Maybe that worked. Not sure on that one. That's important. You've got to always be testing when you're leveraging social media. All right, next one. Networking and building relationships. This whole business is built around relationships. This whole business is built around networking. If you can join some local clubs, maybe hopefully they're free. I don't want you to invest a lot of money at the beginning, or if you're just getting back on your feet on this one, go to local clubs, local meetups, local, if you've got kids, school, right? You can always participate there, connect. Just wherever you show up, make sure that it's your best version of you showing up. You're going to be helpful. You're going to, if it's work that you have to put in, it's the best work with the best attitude, right? And maybe you end up paying something like a BNI group or a LaTip group where one of each profession locally shows up and you've got to pay $100 a month. If that's for you, amazing. Or you can go to the Rotary. The Rotary, they love having people and the connections there are insanely great. So networking and building relationships is going to be key. But don't leave the social media aspect out of building relationships, because networking goes hand in hand with social and in person. So think about that as you're growing. And lastly, for this one, continually keep learning and growing. Watch podcasts, shows like this. Take time to explore social and see what's working for other people so that it inspires you. Right? Go to TikTok, go to Creator Insight. I think it's Creator Search Insights, and check the gap. Like, what are people searching in the field you're in? And not enough content is being made. Same thing on YouTube. Go to the back end on the analytics side, check trends, and then it'll give you some ideas there. Go to Google, type in the people that you are targeting and think, how would they search online? Homes for sale or moving to or things to do in whatever city. And then you're going to get some ideas in the section that says people also ask. That not only creates content for you, but it gives you the ability to understand how searches are being done and what people are looking for. So invest time in yourself, because that time will allow you to grow in the future. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much. Please join the newsletter. It's at the top of the description, and I will see you tomorrow.